I have stitched up my own designer handbag, okay? Welcome back to the channel. Sandy here. Today, so exciting. I have been working on this bag. It was so easy. I will tell you all about it. I enjoyed the process so much. I will be showing you exactly how I put this bag together. It's like a Kelly long wallet inspired bag situation going on here. So this has been gifted to me by POPSEWING. They reached out and asked if I wanted to try one of their DIY kits. It looked like fun. They have a lot of big brand inspired bags, but also just some other designs. Really looking forward to try out another one now because I really enjoyed the process. They provide you with everything. You know, I cannot sew for dear life. I told you that before. So I opted for something that looked relatively simple because I had no idea what the kit would look like. But if you have no experience at all, just like me, like, you know, you can barely close up a hole on your shirt or whatever, this is for you. I will show you some of the other bags that they offer. Make sure to check out all the bags they have. I will link it down below for you. Let's go. Honestly, it was so much fun. I think I was a bit slow because according to the website, this should take you between 2 to 5 hours to make. Well, it took me more time. I don't know. Well, I took my time, several evenings. I just sat down, had my favorite drink, snacks. I watched some YouTube videos while putting this all together. They provide you with everything you need, like needles, the thread, everything. They have instructions, video instructions, so that is very easy to follow. So yeah, so this is what the end result. Super cutie. I had this particular one in other colors as well. So as you can see, that is what that looks like. This is a super cute purse for a night out, maybe when you just want to bring your cards and some small essentials. So you have so many card slots on this one. Here it fits your, this is a iPhone Pro Max that also fits in here, you see. So this is just if you don't need to take so many things with you, even if you're running errands perhaps. You can customize it a bit because this is your bag. You're going to make it the way it suits you. So in hindsight, I wish, because there are so many card slots, I wish I just left one of these out and just kept this one, for example, because it would give me a bit more space. But as I said, you do what suits your needs, of course. So that is also fun that you can customize it the way you want to. You can even use it as a normal, like a real wallet, because you can easily just take these straps out like this. Oh my God, I love it so much. Actually, such a versatile piece. And you can just maybe use it as your real wallet, right? They also have bag charms and other small leather goods. Well, if that is more of your thing, or maybe you want to try out something small first, right? If you're already a DIY queen, or maybe you want to double your toes in, dip your toes to the, you know, DIY waters, then surely I would recommend starting off with something like this. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and let me know what you think of this in the comments. I would love to chat with you.